Hey everyone, welcome to Discover the OC. I'm Jules Wilson, your host and lifestyle realtor here at Seven Gables Real Estate. Now listen, today I have a really good friend of mine, and I'm going to kind of call you Mr. Orange County. Am I crazy, Mark?
Well, no.
This is Marc DiDomenico. Now he is with Wealth Management Strategies. Did I say that right?
Yeah,
okay.
That is correct.
So I think we all, if we're going to be honest, like anything that has the word wealth in it, especially when strategy is involved. So I wanted to have Mark on today. Now, actually, all kidding aside, Mark is a certified financial planner, but you're more than that, Mark. You are a connector. You really are. You are so community driven, and you have a really good heart. So I kind of want to start out with just a little bit about your history, because who you don't know, I don't think exists in town. Am I wrong?
Well, there's got to be somebody. I mean, but, 6 degrees of separation.
Right. So give us a little your history about born here. Or
yeah,
what?
No, born at Hoag Hospital, back when it was a 2-story grass shack, as I was joking earlier.
Yeah.
Grew up in Costa Mesa, now live in Newport.
Right.
Really moved far.
Yeah.
And have my practice here in Irvine, Costa Mesa, Newport since 1990. So
Wow.
a couple of years.
Yeah. Well, one thing I love about you is, now, a little background. Mark and I know each other from the, shout out to the Newport Beach Chamber. They do so many great things for businesses here in Orange County,
Absolutely.
especially Newport specifically. But one thing I love about you is through our referral group, we have a referral roundtable, I've learned a lot about what you do as a certified financial planner, but you've also helped spearhead an offering within businesses that were in the chamber, myself included. So tell people about that, because if you're not a member of the Newport Chamber, you really should be now, if for no other reason, for this one.
This is something that is brand spanking new. Association plans have been around for a while, but what we've got for the Newport Beach Chamber as an exclusive is a multiple employer 401k plan. That's a highfalutin way to say you get to band together with all the other businesses in the chamber and get preferential pricing like you're a big boy in the 401k market space. So really aggressive pricing, really neat,
Yeah.
and I get to manage that.
Yeah.
So that was a special thing that I was able to put together for the chamber, very unique.
Yeah.
And like I said, it's kind of neat. I get to manage that.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people don't know, myself included, the difference between, before talking to you, some of the pros and cons of a SEP versus the pros and cons of a 401k. So I know you advise people on all of that too, right, Mark? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a full wealth management strategies, full wealth management. So from investments to different types of insurance to the evil annuities, but they're all a good piece of what one should do in regards to financial planning.
Well, and that brings up another question, not to interrupt you. Tell people, what is the difference between a financial planner versus a certified financial planner?
Well, certified financial planners are certifiable, but
Certifiably crazy. Just joking.
you got to be crazy to be in this business.
Right.
Anybody, you can say, I'm a financial planner, because there's no regulations, there's no federal regulations or state regulations to say that.
Oh, I see.
If you try to put the word certified in there, the Certified Financial Planning Board will come after you. They are very militant about that designation. It is a very difficult 3 years of study, plus a comprehensive exam, on par with the bar.
Right.
It's not an easy exam. So those who have that CFP degree are the ones who take it seriously and probably are the ones that you want to work with.
Okay, well, that's good to know. So getting back to what the chamber offers, because you have spent so much time on this, Mark, and I know, listen, Mark's very successful in your business already. You really didn't need to do this, Mark.
No, there was another gentleman in the chamber, the CFO, and I been long-term friends, and wanted to leave a legacy, do something for the chamber, do something for the community that we can look back and say, hey, we did something cool.
You're talking about Steve?
No,
I'm
Tommy.
sorry. Oh, Tommy. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And so the two of us brainstormed this. I had discovered that this was available. There's not to get too wonky, but there's a thing called Care 2.0, and buried in there was the ability to do what we've done.
Wow.
It just nobody else found it and did it before me. So I got to bring it to the chamber first, and have been successful in implementing it.
So basically, I can set up a 401k as if I worked at a huge company, same benefits basically, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
To get technical, if you will, there's no setup charge, there's no TPA fee. The investments are all, the ones you've heard of, not some proprietary somebody's funds.
Okay.
So a professional big boys 401k for the small business owner, which has never been able to do before.
Wow. Okay.
At that price level. I mean, you could pay for it, but small business owners have other issues on
Well,
on their
right,
minds.
but that's a big offering because it's kind of like a small business just doesn't have that department, so to speak,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So let's say I'm not a member of the chamber. Tell us how we can get to you or get to this program. Obviously, we have to join the chamber first, right?
Well, we always joke, newportbeach.com.
Okay. All right.
That's how you find the chamber.
Okay.
Just look under benefits.
Okay.
It'll say MEP,
Okay.
and that's where the 401k is. Alternatively, they can contact me directly, but I would encourage them to go through the chamber. There's a lot more than just, oh boy, you can get a 401k. The chamber's got, it's for those of you who have been in a chamber of commerce, yeah, maybe you go, there's like 1 or 2 things a month. Oh my God, they've got something every week.
Yes.
At every time of the day.
Yeah.
Some big, awesome, national and internationally known things like the boat parade. That's the chamber. So a lot of cool things. As a financial advisor, not planner, as a financial advisor, there's quite a few in the chamber, but I was able to join and find so many things to do and actually find a place.
Yeah.
So I would encourage you, not just because you want the 401k, but check out the chamber just for the chamber.
Yeah.
But if you become a member of the chamber, then you can have the
Yeah.
401k.
Well, I really appreciate you doing this because once again, Mark, you didn't have to do this, but whether it's getting a 401k program that you might not be able to get on your own without paying a lot of money, right? Let's call it like it is.
Well, and there is a state mandate that's come in. If you go to calsavers.com, you can read all about it, but you, as an employer, if you have one W-2 employee now, you have to offer a retirement plan or sign up for CalSavers.
Oh.
But CalSavers is a state-run program, and you do
Okay.
have to interface with the state.
Oh.
So there's some requirements that small business owners might not necessarily want to have to abide by. So
Okay.
the alternative is to get your own plan, manage your own plan.
How many employees, can you be a sole proprietor and do this?
Oh, you can do that's called a solo K,
Okay.
like yourself.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay.
And
So you don't have
she
to
owes me documents.
Yeah, I do.
But as an employer, just one, you're required to have a plan. So
Okay.
you can either do CalSavers, or you can do something such as this,
that's
or
what I
go
meant. If
get
you
your
have an
own.
employee,
Go get
just-
your own.
okay, all
yeah,
right.
But you have to offer something for your employee.
Okay, I did not know that, so
Yeah,
that's
that's
good to
new.
know too.
That's
One
new.
employee and they need to do something or call you or something.
Right, yeah. Either go to CalSavers and
Yep.
learn about it, or
Right.
call me and I'll explain. But either way, you do need to do something.
Okay, so what about your wealth management? How do people get a hold of you for that, or what's your real driving passion behind that, Mark?
Well, in the real world, it's full service. I have a whole team, and so from life insurance needs, and like earlier I joked, annuities, manage money, structured products, alternative investments. Not a big fan of crypto stuff.
Yeah.
But we can do it if you want.
Yeah.
And then benefits. So
Okay.
if your company needs medical plans or ancillary benefits, dental, vision, things like that, we do provide those services. We don't do property casualty.
Okay.
We don't do workers' comp.
Okay.
But pretty much everything else I've got somebody on the team for.
Okay, so one thing I love about Mark, too, now I don't want to give away your age, you're probably 45-ish, I'm guessing. And you've been in this
Let's just say I'm Gen X, so got to age that a little bit.
You were kind of born and raised in this industry,
Oh, yeah,
right? I
yeah.
mean, your mom, your
Grandfather,
Right,
yeah,
right.
that was the last thing I wanted to do.
So you
Sell
prob-
life insurance.
there probably isn't a story or a problem that you haven't overcome. Am I wrong or heard?
It's funny. Over the years, I've now become that old guy in the office that the young people go, "Hey, what is this? What's a whole life policy?" So yeah, I've done quite a few
Heard it all,
different
seen
things
it all,
over
can
the
do
years.
it all.
Yeah.
Okay, well, once again, one thing I love about Marc DiDomenico is you're born and raised here in Orange County, and you really have a vested interest in other people's success because you've done so well, Mark. I mean, honestly, you really don't need to do the extra things you do. But the most important thing I love that Mark said today was that you want to leave a legacy.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
shows the kind of heart you have.
Yeah.
So I really do love that.
Yeah. My mom did some city council work back in the 70s.
Oh, she did?
And
What town? Newport?
Costa Mesa.
Oh, nice.
Costa Mesa. And then the other big thing was she was instrumental in getting South Coast Repertory's most recent theater built. So yeah, there's some family
cool.
family involvement here in the
I
area.
love that. Yeah, well, it's both philanthropic and doing the right thing, and it's okay to make money too. We all work for a living. That's okay. God never said we did any good being broke, right?
Nope.
So yeah, so that's good for you too. So how can people get a hold of you, Mark?
Well, easiest way would be email me. And we were joking earlier. Our industry is under lockdown. No texting. You can text me and say, "Hi, Mark, how are you?" But you cannot text me about, tell me about this investment. So we have to either phone me.
Okay.
Phone number is 949-833-5863, or you can email me, Mark with a C, M-A-R-C, at wmswealth.com, or go to the Chamber website.
Yeah, the Chamber website. So once again, Mark, you offer so many different services to help people. Just like, wealth and management, making it all good strategy. I love the way you strategize things. I met with Mark a couple weeks ago for literally about 2 hours, and I still haven't gotten you all my statements, but I'm doing that. So the point is, he's patient, he's kind, he's knowledgeable, and you really have a vested interest in other people's success. So that's one of the things I just love about you, Mark. Yeah, so reach out to Mark. And also, I can't say good enough things about the Chamber. Once again, shout out to Newport Beach Chamber. Without the Chamber, I wouldn't even know Mark. And we're big into referring business and just lifting each other up. So thank you. You're awesome.
Thank you.
Give Mark a call.